everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious chicken pasta. The pasta I will be using is Albo's. As the instructions say, this one takes 9 to 11 minutes to get tender. So we're going to boil the water and we're going to put it in for 9 to 11 minutes. The sauce I will be using is a 1 pound sauce, the Garden Chunky Combo sauce. 1 pound chicken, boneless chicken breast cut into small pieces, and olive oil. So let's start making our delicious chicken pasta. I placed the pot, I added water, so we're going to make sure the water started to boil, then we'll add pasta. And we'll start another burner. Place a fry pan. 2 teaspoons olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, I'll add chicken. Mix it. Keep it moving and keep cooking. We're going to cook the chicken really well. Bring your gas on the low. Cover with the lid and let the chicken cook. Because on the other side, our water is also ready. I'll add pasta. Half teaspoon salt. Stir it. Cover with the lid, 9 to 11 minutes, the pasta will be tender. On this side, we're cooking chicken on a low gas. Stir it occasionally so it won't get burned. It's 10 minutes. Our chicken is fully cooked. I opened it twice and I stirred it. As you can see, it starts out the oil. I check the pasta, it needs a couple more minutes. So on this side, I'll add salt. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid and let it cook until our pasta is tender. The pasta is nice and tender. I just checked it. Almost double in size. Turn off the gas. I will drain the water. And on this side, the chicken and sauce is ready. I'll drain the water. The water is fully drained. Open the lid. Add pasta. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly. Cover with the lid, cook it for 3 minutes. Another 3 minutes cooking with a closed lid. I'll open it. Mix it well. Chicken pasta is all ready. I'm going to turn off the gas, add parsley flakes, mix it well. I have my serving platter ready, and I will dish out. And let me share with you. And prior to serving, add some Parmesan cheese. Our delicious chicken pasta, Albo chicken pasta, is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye. This is very quick and easy pasta recipe. Add some Parmesan cheese and wow, this is very tasty and delicious.